Hey guys, today we are going to be doing a huge like Sunday reset. So it's the 21st of January. I went back to work on the 2nd, and since then we've just been swamped. The days after, or like the days that I've meant to have off, I've ended up working. The days that I've actually had off, I've been either sick, I got really sick for a bit in there, and then I also got heat stroke. So everything has just been crazy. And yeah, I'm falling behind on everything, so we just need a massive reset of everything. So first things first, I am just making my coffee. I'm going to sit down with my coffee. I'm going to plan out a couple of goals for today, of like what I want to achieve today, and then yeah, I'm gonna keep you updated. The house is in absolute shambles. So hello, hi darling, I'm coming to say hello. Esther, hi. Yeah, so we're just gonna get into it, but yeah, I'm gonna go do my coffee now, write down everything I want to do today, and then yeah. Okay, so my goals for today, or my little to-do list, I want to do 4 loads of laundry. We need to catch up on our laundry, it's really bad. So I've got 1 load going at the moment. So I want to do 4 loads of laundry. I want to take all of our rubbish out because I cleaned my studio earlier this week, so I just have so much rubbish from there and stuff like that, and like boxes and, you know, all that kind of stuff. I feel like it's not even so much, like, it's not your typical rubbish, it's just rubbish that takes up so much room. So I want to take all of the rubbish out. I want to clean the kitchen. I want to clean the kitchen table, which is what I'm currently sitting at. I want to spend 15 minutes like cleaning and organising the floor out here. And I know that sounds weird, but it's because like we still have some stuff in boxes and everything like that. And everything kind of was clean, and then we got our furniture and started building our furniture, and everything kind of got, yeah. So I want to spend 15 minutes like on that. I want to clean the bathroom today. I need to film a light slacker review, and I also want to film a makeup video. So I also have tomorrow off work, hopefully, if I don't get called in. Oh actually, and I want to catch up on my diary. I'm really trying hard to keep a diary this year, so I need to catch up on that as well. I can't remember what I was saying now. Oh yeah, I have tomorrow off work, so my priority for today, as much as I do want to clean the house, and I will, I also want to make sure my videos get filmed, because yeah, I need to start getting a backlog of videos because I'm behind. So yeah, I think what I'm going to do now is probably start on the kitchen. So yeah, I'll spend maybe, I don't know, 20 minutes, half hour just cleaning the kitchen. I don't know, that doesn't sound like long, but honestly, you can get so much done in that amount of time when you're just standing there kind of doing stuff. Like half an hour, you can honestly work miracles. So it's 11:08 currently, so I'm going to put on like a half-hour video on YouTube and just have that playing in the background, and yeah, just start cleaning up. And I'll show you after, because I'm not showing you before, it's embarrassing. Okay, kitchen table is clean. We have our washing in the background, so don't worry about that. Then this part of the kitchen is clean, which I'm happy with. I hate this. So this is like, I don't even know what it is. It's like wood or whatever, but like there's so many scrapes and stuff in it, and it never looks clean because obviously it's got all the different like chips and stuff out of it. So if you guys, and also this, because the range hood or whatever it's, what's this called, the stovetop got changed, like there's this like line around it. So yeah, hate this. If anyone has any idea on what we can do to make this look better, please let me know. But yeah, kitchen clean for now. I've done some dishes. There's still some more that needs to be done, but I'll do that soon. I've just put on my 4th load of washing, so that'll be done. The rubbish is has been taken out. There is still some stuff over here on the floor that needs to be sorted out. I've done my nails, so I'm halfway through my Lights Like a review. Now all I've got to do, I took all the clothes and stuff out of the bathroom. The only thing that needs to be cleaned now is like the table, not the tabletop, like the vanity, and also I just need to pick up some products off the floor, but that'll be easy. Haven't done my diary yet, but that's something that I want to sit down over night time and do. Like, that's not really like something that I'm like, you know, that can be done right before bed or whatever. So I'm going to go and do my makeup now. It is 7:20 at the moment. I woke up late today and then we went to my mum's for lunch and stuff like that, and I did also have a rest because Sundays are like my day off, my only day off. I work 6 days a week, so it's important to have a rest as well. And because I'm doing vacation care shifts at the moment, they're like 4 days. Normally when I'm not working vacation care, I have the middle of the day, so that's when I get all my stuff done. But yeah, we're doing vacation care at the moment, so I don't have that middle of the day. But anyway, alright, so yeah, I'm gonna film now. And yeah, I'm feeling pretty confident. Let me just check my little list and see what else we need to do. Okay, clean kitchen table, spend 15 minutes cleaning the floor. I did do that. It didn't help a lot. No, it did, but I still need to do more. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I just need to finish cleaning the bathroom. I'm halfway through doing my Lights Like a. I need to do my makeup first, and then I'll do like the chatty part of that video. Film makeup video, which I'm about to do, and then catch up on diary. So we are good. And I'll also do some more dishes. So yeah, I'll show you when my makeup's done, show you how that looks. Yeah, for now I need to get into that. Okay, I've finished my makeup now. I'm actually obsessed. I think it looks so nice. This is the, why is it like, this is the Glamlight and Ghostface collection. Couldn't remember that for a second. Why does it feel like I'm not like, is it because I'm not, I don't know. Anyway, so I just need to do my Lights Like a video now. I didn't get a chance to finish cleaning the bathroom, but we did get our laundry done. So honestly, I'm happy. I feel like overall it was a productive day. I also have tomorrow off, so I can like catch up on those other things. It doesn't matter too much. I just really wanted to get these videos done and everything like that. So yeah, thank you guys for watching along and doing this Sunday reset with me. But yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.